I have raised issues on uncompetitive procurement because there was utilization of the specially permitted procurement procedures. I have raised issues on the undefined scope of works regarding the installation of the system to the public health facilities, because we do not yet have the total number of the health facilities that are targeted. But there's also an amount for training that is also in the public domain. We do not have the numbers, because when you're making a budget, you already have a target. It can be a moving target when numbers rise, but at least you have a baseline that we want to train 3,000 people, so we need 7 billion, or we want to train 4,000 people, so we need 10 billion. So I've raised issues on that, and it's in the report. I've raised issues on the payment arrangements, agreements, in terms of the rates that have been charged on the system. I've also raised issues on the unfavorable contract clauses with regard to moving forward. How will we ensure that the system works for Kenyans and is managed by Kenyans? The same issues that I've raised under the e-citizen system.